Ganto kapag ka lagi kang absent sa English subject mo nung araw. O Ranger.
Was anybody home?
Yun eh.
Ah,
Uy.
I'm from the U.S. Embassy, and
Okay,
I'm looking
Babalo.
for Ayala Salipalpao. Is this his residence?
Yes, yes.
Uy, tumama. Ano sagot eh?
I had a hard time looking for this place, finding its
Nahirapan daw sa
location.
maghanap eh.
You know what time it is?
Yes,
Patay.
No, the time.
Tinatanong
What
yung
time
oras.
it is. I wonder how late I am.
Yes,
Yes pa rin ng yes.
yes.
Well, could I come in?
Alright.
Yeah, come outside.
Okay.
Come
Come outside.
Up. Do not enter. Beware of dog.
Uy.
Here. Sibel! Ayan na! Sandali yan, lumabas kayo rito. Kayo na nga kumausap dito, ha? Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan eh, ha? Ha? Nagulo English yan! Sasapakin ko yan!